soon as I get these things opened, I'm gonna show you what's up. Strange engineering. Super pumped. Oh, check these out. Strange. I'm like overbuilding this whole thing big time. Only because I want to do it once. I'm gonna build it the way I want it and it not have any kind of problems at all. So like everybody was like, why don't you just throw some like 31 spline or 35 spline? I'm like, that would probably hold for what I'm gonna do. But eventually down the road, once I get more and more horsepower, I'm gonna have to change out the axles and buy all new axles again. Why not spend a little bit extra money right now and just buy the axles that I want to run in the end anyway and just have what I have. So super pumped. These things look amazing. Strange did a great job. They were right on time with what they said. They said it would be 3 weeks. I called 3 weeks after I ordered. They said, yep, they expect to ship tomorrow. So can't complain about that. These are completely custom grinds, so I'm not mad about that at all. Super excited. These are going in the car tonight. It'll be on the ground on those 15 by 10 aluminum wheels, and then those have 4.5 inch back spacing, and I'm gonna see from there if I need 4.5 inch back spacing or 5.5 inch back spacing, and then I'll order my black wheels like this. So these are my fronts. These are 17 by 4.5. So I'm gonna get the 15 by 10s with the right back spacing right after I find out, you know, which ones I need. I'm gonna get it as close to the fender as I can without actually rubbing. So thank y'all for checking it out. I'm super excited. I'll show some videos and pictures tonight of it sitting on the ground off jack stands completely for the first time in like 5 years. Super pumped. Thank y'all for checking it out. Like, comment, subscribe. Nitemare out.